thank you so much for joining with me.
Thank you.
So can you briefly describe your role in APOC and your key responsibilities?
Yeah, sure. So my name's Craig Skilton. I'm the VP of Components at APOC. APOC is a sales and leasing specialist across airframe, landing gears, and engines, and I run the company's airframe division.
Okay, great. And what is APOC's strategic approach to integrate repair management, teardown operations, and part redistribution to create a seamless aftermarket support offering?
Yeah, so previously APOC used to sell a lot of material without going through the repair cycle. In previous years, we've now added an MRO team. So when we tear down an aircraft, we're looking at what components we can recertify and put through the repair process, and trying to actively hold a lot more serviceable material. So our approach has completely shifted from that kind of quick sell of as removed straight from the teardown to strategically tacking more material, holding it for operators, and also trying to pursue more exchanges as well.
So as airlines and MROs navigate unpredictable fleet dynamics and part demand, what long-term strategies, initiatives is APOC pursuing to stay ahead?
So I mean, on the airframe side, we're really trying to pursue the A320 market and new gen as well. But at the moment, our stock and our recent acquisitions are all focused around that A320 family. Our strategy is to really get good at that one platform for now. We know our customer base around that. We're making sure we're holding the right material there in Europe and the US and also other locations. So our strategy to kind of ride out the different dynamics in the market is to really hone in at being really good on that platform and making sure that we become a specialist in Europe that the airlines and MROs can really start to depend on.
How is digital technology changing the way APOC approaches maintenance?
Not so much maintenance, but in our operation, we're trying to adopt it in a way that we can automate certain tasks around the business, integrate what we do with other systems better. So we're definitely trying to use technology in a way that makes our team smarter and more efficient in what they do. So they can maybe repurpose more mundane admin activities and make sure they're focusing on speaking with the customer and doing what really matters most. So we're kind of using technology in that way, and especially with the emergence of AI and some of these other technologies, making sure that we're adopting it in the right way. Yeah.
Perfect. How do you see the global MRO landscape evolving over the next 3 to 5 years? And what role does APOC aim to play in shaping the future?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, our focus at the moment is, on the narrow body platforms, but it's likely that we'll start to emerge into more wide body and try and evolve our product portfolio as well. Once we get good, we expand. I think the landscape is such that the aftermarket providers are so in demand because of the trouble that's going on in some of the manufacturing, and I think that will continue. I think we'll continue to have such an active part in that. Our aim is to just be as close as we can to those airline and MRO partners of ours over that time.
Craig, thank you for joining with me.
Thank you, appreciate it.